Alright, do it again.
Woo!
Alright, baby, tell us about your cooking show here.
Now we're going to clean the fish.
We can't hear you, baby.
Hi. Hello.
Hold on, baby. Look at the camera and say, hello, guys. Welcome to my cooking show. Come on.
Hello guys, welcome to my cooking show.
What's your name?
Ano to interview?
Baby, great narration, honey. Folks, she's going to teach you how to chop up a yellowfin tuna. Now, can you please do the narration while you do this, baby?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. You may proceed.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Just do the narration, baby.
Cut this.
We can't hear you whispering.
I don't want to talk. Basta.
What? You say basta or shasta?
Basta. You're the one who talk, not me.
This is the most boring fish cleaning video I've ever seen.
Get this. I don't know what's the hasang. Yeah, I mean
What's it called?
hasang.
Maybe let me know when you get to the part where you're gonna slice this thing up, because this is boring. Don't spill them chips, boy. Whoa.
Now we're going to cut.
Are you gonna cut it now?
Yes.
You may proceed. Now, folks, she's utilizing the coconut chopper. Maybe we got the fish blood and the shrimps over there. I didn't know you had the shrimps in there. Okay, slice one. There goes the tail.
1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, there goes her finger. Baby, that's the most boring fish chopping episode I've ever seen. You've done it before and it was quite interesting because you're beautiful and you're over there chopping. That's just, it's like you've lost the magic, baby.
Hala, I don't know how to English, boy.
I tell you what, you do the narration in Bisaya because a lot of my viewers, their wives are Bisaya or, you know, if they're Filipina from Luzon, they're not going to understand your Bisaya, but they'll laugh. All right, do the narration, baby. Go ahead. Let's hear some Bisaya. Come on, baby. Working with you is like working with Sean Penn. I mean, next thing you know, you're going to be requiring all of us to get vaccinations before
Basta! Gilimpiwan ko rin. Basta.
All I heard was pasta.
Basta.
What's pasta?
Basta.
I don't know what basta is, baby.
I don't know what's the English of basta too.
Oh, she see the stress I'm under.
Where did you
Wait
buy this?
Wait a minute. Where did these shorts and this shirt come from? I ain't never seen the short nor the shirt. Honey, when did you buy this? Huh?
Honey, where did you buy this?
What?
This one.
Why? What's wrong with it? It's not good?
No. I'm not saying that's not good.
What's wrong with it?
Nothing. Maybe I don't know how to cut, that's why.
Well, what can I do? Okay, next time I'll tell them to chop this thing up.
Yeah, just do video in there because I don't know how to chop this thing.
I gotta get me a new Bisaya girl that knows how to kill a chicken and cut a fish.
Digo.
You washing clothes? Babe, can I ask you a question? Do you ever dream about a washing machine? Would you like to have a washing machine?
Yeah, I hope so.
I thought you liked washing clothes by hand.
This? No, wait. It's okay if I've only one in there. We have I have 2 kids.
The washing machine is expensive and uses electricity. Aren't you concerned about climate change? Huh? Don't you care about climate change? We're green, baby. All you skinny jean wearing Call of Duty shitheads, do your little online activism from Starbucks, talking about save the planet, save the whales, global warming, climate change. Only person that's going green is me. Look at this. I don't have electricity for a washing machine, no electricity for a dryer. Okay. So you can sit there from your Starbucks, do your little online activism, but you're just full of shit. You want to save the planet? Get rid of your washer and dryer. Get a couple buckets. Wash your clothes by hand, hang them up, let Mother Nature dry them. That's how to save the planet. So until all you activists out there, all you green climate change mamma jammas, until you drop your washer and dryer in the bottom of the ocean and wash clothes like my old lady does, I don't want to hear your shit about lecturing me about climate change and flying and travel. Don't want to hear it. 'Cause we're green under the guava tree here.